Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos.
So remember, we'll draw the big shape first. Let's draw the middle shapes next. And then draw the branches next. These are just rectangles. The big branch here. Big branch here. And smaller branches here. And big branch here. Long branch here. Now the rest of these branches are just patterns. So I want you to just think of them as patterns like this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to use lots of patterns in the circles, okay? So just follow me. So we're going to do a pattern like this. We're just going to extend and make a pattern into the circle. And why it's easy is because we have the circle to tell us where to stop. Does that make sense, guys? Give me a thumbs up if that makes sense. Okay, so now it's easy. We just have to add more branches and patterns. That's all you do. So this drawing, even though it looks hard, it's not hard because it's just patterns. You don't have to, you don't want to copy the photo because the photo is very complicated. You just want to capture the feeling of the photo. Okay, so that's the main part of the canopy, right? So now let's just add some details to the trunk and then we'll be done with this tree. So this tree has some curves and it has some squares there, some textures. So we can add some textures here. And now it's done. So earlier, we said we can use also a triangle. So you can use a circle, a triangle, or rectangles. All you would do is you do the same exact thing, but maybe use triangles like this. The main idea is you want to use the shape to estimate the size. And then you draw within the size. So remember, we always go from big to small.
Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.